The movement that you just heard at the beginning of the video is one of the most popular movements in the jazz and gospel world. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build them and use them. And those are very, very popular movements. If you ever felt intimidated when you heard those movements, I'm going to decode exactly what's in the chord. In other words, break the wall for you. All right, so one of the most important things that you need to learn about when you're playing gospel or jazz is actually the 2-5-1 movement that you usually hear in a lot of gospel or jazz music. But mostly for this one, we get it from the 2-5-1 in the key of C, for example. All right, so I'm gonna move to where you can see my hand. But for now, we're in the key of C, okay, with C and G, and then we have C, E, and G, and C again. But we can also omit the C that's here and leave it like that. Okay, I'm going slow so you guys can see it. And then the 2-5-1 in the key of C will be like this. This is 2, and then 5, and then go back to 1. All right, okay, so we're gonna break the wall with the 2-5-1. This is very popular in the world of gospel and jazz. So in the major keys, which is, let's say C major, this is major, the 2 would be D minor. All right, you can see everything. I usually put my minor as 7, okay? And leave the D right here and then A right here. The 5 would be this, which is G. How is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know 5 is G. That would be G7. And I usually put some sauce in it. You know, with this is sauce 4 G9. This is the 9, and that makes it the sauce 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sauce 4, 9. Go back to C. Now, this is in the major key. So in the key of F, for example, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the 1, this is the 2, and this is the 5. In the key of B flat, same thing too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That would be 1, 2, 5. And then 1 is B flat again. Now, same thing for the key of B flat, E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, the 2 is F minor 7, and then the 5 is B flat, going back to E flat. Now let's go down to C natural. Now, when you're playing C, D minor, and G, that's a big of a leap that we do from C to D minor. Then we have to move all the way there. So what we can do, we could just do that. This is C. We could do D minor 7, and this is also G. Because the bass note, when it sounded, you see, it becomes a D7. But here I have this. Okay? You get it? So C, D minor 7. This is G, except that I don't have the bass note would be playing the G7 right here to make it the G to make it the G7. Even if I have the D as the lowest note. It makes pretty nice voice leading. See, I'm on D right now, and I'll do. Okay, sound a bit jazzy. So the 2-5-1, it's really fun in a lot of songs. All right, now that we know how to build the 251, we tried the key of C, we tried key of F, B flat, E. We can also do the same for the key of D flat. The Nashville number system: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Instead of going to the G right here, which is a big leap, a big jump, you do this. You probably sound, you hear the little jazzy. When you have you do C, 2, 5, 1, or 2, 5. This is a bit basic. We do not want to sound basic. We prefer to do this. All right. Now this is in the major key. We also have a 251 in the minor keys. That's what I played at the beginning. That's what I played. I have this. The progression is really 3, go 6, 2 go into 5. Then from here we do a 5, which is a 251, to go to F. You get it? In the key of, on the minor keys, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, and then the 2 will be this. So, but usually this, which is a diminished chord, and this is a half diminished. Now this is the fully diminished, but this is half. All right. So this is a very important concept. If I'm in the key of D minor, it's all natural. All right. So what we're gonna do the 2 right here. 5, 2, 5, 1 in the key of D minor. Let me do it again. 2. Remember the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is A7. Then back to 1, 2, 5, 1 in the key of 2, 5, 1. Okay, we could do it in the key of A minor. 2, 5, 1. Okay. We can also do it in the key of C sharp or D flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 2 will be this one. So since we're going to, this is A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, this is I'm sorry, B flat minor. So the 2 will be this. You probably heard that a lot in gospel music. Two, 5, 1. This is for minor keys. Let me do it again. 2, 5, 1. On to Jesus. You can do I surrender. This is 2, 5, 1. All right, so you build them in each and every key that you find. Here, this is the 6. The 2, 5, 1 will be like this. I'm in the key of F. 2, 5-1 in the key of D minor. If we're doing the 2-5-1 in the key of B flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now you will go into the 6, and we have to do a 2-5-1 in the key of in the 6 of B flat, which is G minor. So that will be 2. You see, 2, 5, 1. So that's what I was able to do. 2, 5, 1, and then I do 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. Let me go slowly. I have to have a target chord, which is in the case 2, which is D minor, but I'm thinking also of F major as the main key. So that's what I do. Let me do it again. You get it? Okay? If the target is A minor, but I'm thinking of C major, do I do this? Okay, if I'm doing the same thing for G minor, but I'm in the key of B flat, so I do the 2-5-1, which is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1 again. Then the 2 will be, this is 1, 2, so this is 2-5-1 again, also. So if I'm in the key of E flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, my target chord is actually the 6 of B flat, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is C7. So that would be 2-5-1. You hear that a lot when we're doing an improv. 4, 7. So that's a pretty nice ride from 2-5-1. We had it first just for a major key, which is 2-5-1. Then we also have it for its minor relative, which is A minor, 2-5-1 in the key of C. In the key of F, the minor relative is D minor. We have this. All right, so 2-5-1. The key of B flat, 2-5-1. You have to practice them in all the keys. In the key of C sharp, that will be 2-5-1. Okay? If we're in the key of E flat, 2-5-1. The key of A flat, 2-5-1. This is very common in jazz, very common in the gospel world. Okay? Now all I'm doing is just E flat major 7, okay? So that's how it sounds a bit different from this. Kind of more solid, but this is like E flat major 7. Alright? Practice that in all the keys. And then you'll be able to play a bit, you're gonna move from being just basic or intermediate to more advanced chord. If we have the song I Give Myself Away, well, let's try it in the key of, let me see, B flat, I think it is. That's an application of a 2-5-1. Look at this. This is the 1, the 7. Okay, this is 7. This is 7, 3, and the 6. Let me do it again. that song, you can use it to practice a bunch of other songs. Whenever you go into the 6, instead of just going down to 6, just go by the 7 to move to the 6. Alright, I'm asking you to subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more stuff I'm going to give away, a lot more advanced stuff. Please subscribe, share. I do read your comments, and if you notice, there is no comments that is not replied. I read them. Thank you for the support. I noticed that I really reach almost 400 subscribers quickly. Actually, I think it is 400. That means that you guys are really supporting this channel. You're watching the videos. Whenever you sit down, just watch it all the way through, and then leave me your comments and share it with your friends, because I want you to stop sounding basic. I want you to break the wall. I want you to actually become a better musician. All right, thank you, and see you in the next lesson. 2-5-1 major key, 2-5-1 in the minor key. Practice all of them. It's all 2-5-1. 2-5-1. Thank you.